How to select a mortgage. Let's get started. Hi, I just bought a house and want to apply for a mortgage loan. Can you help me?
Absolutely. Congratulations on your new home. That's such an exciting milestone.
Thank you. I'm a first-time homebuyer.
I'd be happy to assist. Let's start by understanding your needs and finding the best loan options for you.
That sounds great. I think I'll need a loan of about $2 million. What are the interest rates like?
Our rates are competitive, ranging from 2.5% to 3%. However, the exact rate will depend on the loan tenor and your financial profile.
Loan tenor? What does that mean?
It's the length of time you'll take to repay the loan. You can choose a tenor between 10 and 30 years.
How do I decide which tenor is best for me?
A longer tenor means smaller monthly payments, but more interest over time. A shorter tenor saves on interest, but increases monthly payments. It depends on your financial goals and cash flow.
I see. If my cash flow is strong, I should go for a shorter tenor to save on interest, right?
Exactly. A shorter tenor is a smart choice if you can handle higher monthly payments.
What would you recommend for someone like me?
It depends on your financial priorities. If minimizing monthly payments is important, a longer tenor works best.
That's valid. I could invest my money in other areas, like the stock market.
That's an option. But if your goal is to save on interest, a shorter tenor is better.
What if affordability is a concern? My job isn't completely stable.
In that case, a longer tenor might be better.
That would give me sufficient cash flow for my family, in case of urgent needs.
That's one reason why some customers prefer a longer tenor. It gives them more flexibility for emergencies.
Makes sense. How much should my monthly repayment be?
As a rule of thumb, it shouldn't exceed 40% of your monthly income.
I'll need to think about what suits me best.
No worries. We'll evaluate your financial situation and guide you toward a plan you're comfortable with.
Got it. What other repayment options do you offer?
We have flexible plans, like fixed monthly payments or variable payments, that adjust over time.
Are there any benefits for first-time buyers like me?
Absolutely. You may qualify for preferential rates and lower processing fees.
That's great. How do you assess if I'm eligible for the loan?
We look at factors like your income, credit history, job stability, and debt-to-income ratio.
What do you mean by credit history?
How many credit cards do you have?
I have 5 credit cards.
Do you repay the balance on all your credit cards on time each month?
Yes. I rarely delay payment, or pay only the minimum balance.
That's great. It means you have a good credit history, because you repay your debts on time.
What's a debt-to-income ratio?
It's the percentage of your income used to pay debts. Ideally, it should be below 50% to show you can manage your finances comfortably.
Why is it not recommended to have a high debt-to-income ratio?
If it's above 50%, it means you have limited money to save or spend each month.
How does it impact the monthly loan repayment?
It suggests that you might struggle to manage unforeseen expenses. In such cases, repaying a mortgage loan could become challenging.
I'm a bit worried because my job isn't very stable. Will that affect my loan application?
Income stability is an important factor. However, a good credit history and consistent past earnings can strengthen your application.
I understand. Here's my income proof. Will I qualify?
Do you have any other sources of income?
No, just my salary. Does that limit my options?
Not necessarily. We'll consider your overall financial situation. If you can make a larger down payment, it reduces the loan amount and makes your application more favorable.
Down payment? I think I can only pay the minimum down payment.
That's okay. We can structure a plan that fits your needs.
That's good to know. What documents do I need for the loan application?
You'll need proof of identity, income documents, like payslips, tax returns, bank statements, and details of the property.
Are there any extra costs I should prepare for?
Yes, besides the down payment, there are legal fees, valuation fees, and possibly stamp duty, depending on your location.
Is insurance required for the house?
Yes, it's a requirement for mortgage loan approval. As the homeowner, you'll need to arrange fire insurance.
Why is it necessary to have fire insurance?
Fire insurance covers the structural parts of your property, such as walls, ceilings, and flooring, in case of a fire.
What's the difference between fire insurance and home insurance?
Fire insurance focuses on protecting the structure of the property. Home insurance, on the other hand, covers the contents of your home, like furniture, decorations, and valuables, in the event of theft or other incidents.
I always get confused between these two types of insurance.
That's understandable. If you're interested, we offer comprehensive packages that combine both types of insurance for added convenience.
Thanks for the information. Any tips for a first-time buyer?
Sure. Plan your budget carefully, maintain an emergency fund, and choose a loan that aligns with your long-term plans.
What should I keep in mind while selecting a mortgage plan?
Focus on affordability, loan tenor, interest rates, and additional features, like early repayment options. Compare offers from different banks for the best deal.
Speaking of comparing banks, why should I choose your bank?
Great question. We offer competitive rates, flexible plans, and value-added services, like free financial advice and comprehensive insurance packages.
Are there any hidden fees I should worry about?
We provide a full breakdown of fees upfront, so there won't be any surprises. Transparency is our priority.
By the way, can I pay off the loan earlier if I want to?
Yes, you can prepay the loan, but there might be a prepayment penalty, depending on the terms of your plan. Some plans allow partial prepayment without penalties.
That's reassuring. How long does the approval process take?
It usually takes about 1 to 2 weeks, after all required documents are submitted.
Can I check the application status online?
Yes, we have an online portal, where you can track your application in real time.
Great advice. I'll take some time to think it over, and get back to you.
Please take your time. When you're ready, we'll create a personalized plan just for you.